Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add an item to your vault on LastPass. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on lastpass.com and then get on the left side, select security dashboard here. Now select add items to your vault, which is on your bottom centric on your screen, and after that you need to enter here the URL, enter here the name, enter here the folder, enter here the username, enter here the site password, and finally enter here the notes. And if you want to, you can also access advanced settings and then tick them according to your requirements. And after finally doing all of these, you just need to select on the save button, and that's how you guys can successfully add an item to your vault on LastPass. That's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.